Dad Cat is having fun teaching his kittens how to play basketball.
Wow, it's great, Dad.
Come on, boys, let me down.
What a play, Dad. Ha ha ha.
I will not let you go like this.
Oh God, Black Cat ran seeing the pistol. Oh my God, Black Cat's firing to Dad Cat and ran away.
Please, God, save my dad.
Oh no, Father Cat not survived in Black Cat's attack and passed away.
I will take your revenge, Dad.
After 5 years. Oh wow, cute kittens joined the police officer job.
Everyone hands up and give me the keys to the lockup.
The police cat's calling the conference to prevent robberies in city.
Wow, God, now I will be rich soon.
Stop, criminal, Black Cat.
Oh no, where did this police come from?
Oh wow, police cat complete his father revenge.
I have complete your revenge, Dad.
I am very happy with you, dear son.
Today little kitten is very happy because his dad took him to the park.
Oh, wow.
Oh no, suddenly a King Kong has come to the park.
Oh God, my kitten. Wake up, dear kitten.
Poor Dad Cat called the ambulance. So sad, the doctor breaks the tragic news of the kitten's death to the Dad Cat. Some days later.
I miss you, my kitten.
Oh God, the bloodthirsty Kong will destroy the city.
Stop, bloodthirsty King Kong.
This pair of cats have grown up together. but they cannot stop arguing from when they were babies until they became adults. The couple cat even argued during their own marriage ceremony. Even when the cat's White is pregnant, the couple continues to argue non-stop while walking on the road. The doctors are trying to treat the injured wife cat. The husband cat is outside crying and praying for her.
God, please save my wife.
So sad, although the cat's wife successfully gave birth, but her injuries were too severe and she did not survive.
Please take good care of the kittens, husband cat.
Thanks for watching.
Two kittens playing and enjoying the day happily, and their mother busy in housework. Kitten's mother busy in housework but did not notice the two kittens playing with fire.
Wow. Let's go to play, bro.
Oh God! The two kittens so busy in playing basketball that they forgot to turn off the fire. The kitten's mother is in the kitchen and started to find the kittens.
Where are you, my children?
Oh my God! The mother cat kept looking for the kittens so they could not escape the fiercely burning kitchen in time. The two kittens returned home and saw that the house was on fire, so they quickly ran to call someone to save their mother. The fire brigade quickly extinguished the fire and took out mother cats from fire, but so sad she not survived and died.